Welcome everybody to Motorhome Specialist, home of the largest motorhome dealership for 12 years in a row. My name is Jordan Buckley and I am being joined by Cameron Jones with Nexus, and we are here to view the new 2026 Wraith 37F.
Yep, so I'm glad to be here, Jordan, to be doing this video with you. Just want to tell you guys a little bit about Nexus. So right now we're the largest privately owned motorhome manufacturer in the country. We're still family owned and operated. We do things the right way. Big thing about us is our construction process is superior to every other manufacturer in the industry. The first thing is our floor, our roof, and our sidewalls are framed with 20 gauge tube steel. Okay, so we actually tested the steel. It came out to being 72% stronger than the typical aluminum that other manufacturers are using. And the benefits of that, if you were to get into an accident, I mean, it's much safer in a steel cage than an aluminum cage.
Absolutely.
And when you're driving down the road, if you get a strong gust of wind or you pass an 18-wheeler, you're not constantly white-knuckling the wheel, you know, fighting wind, just because the unit overall is much sturdier, okay? So the steel framing is one thing. The second thing we do is we don't put any wood in the sidewalls or in the roof of the product. We use a composite substrate called Azdel. Azdel is essentially double the insulator and 4 times the sound barrier of wood. The reason we use it, though, is it doesn't expand or shrink as it gets temperature changes or moisture in it, so you're not going to get any delamination.
Absolutely.
So that's the real benefit to it. But yeah.
And now you guys are on the Freightliner chassis?
Yep. So this is our Wraith 37F. This is the first unit we built on the Freightliner. We moved it over for 2025 year models. Since we've done that, the Wraith has become our most popular line. This unit gives you about 340 horsepower with 700 pounds of torque. You're going to be able to tow 10,000 pounds on the rear. You've got rear air ride suspension and rear air seats. So this thing drives amazing. It's as comfortable as you need it to be, and you can basically tow anything you need behind you.
So the new 2026 Wraith has the new black and gold, just beautiful paint job. And as you'll notice, it's a blackout package all the way around.
Yep. So to dive a little deeper into that, we actually use Sherwin-Williams RV specific automotive paint. Cool. It's got clear coat integrated into it, and I mean, if you feel it, you can't even feel the lines of separation between the paint. So it's a high quality, yeah, for sure.
Beautiful paint job.
Okay, Jordan. So yeah, everything we do, all of our cargo bays are going to be galvanized steel. The benefit to that, I mean, it's much better protected underneath there. If you were to run anything over, have anything kick up, you don't hurt it. You don't build a safe out of plastic. So,
yeah.
Yep.
Absolutely. And guys, as Cameron was telling us about, this has a 10,000 pound carrying capacity.
Yep. You've
got your bumper, you've got your hitch, you've got your 7-pin. You also have your camera system back here. You've got the eyebrow, and just an incredible construction with the ladder still. A lot of coaches are not coming with ladders now.
Yep. Okay, guys, as we make our way to this side of the coach, you're going to have your 60-gallon diesel fill up there, tankless water heater, and then you get a 6,000 watt Onan generator as well.
Very cool. Let's take a look inside.
Yep.
In the 37F, you also have dual ACs with a galvanized steel channel, and that's important because it conducts heat quick and gets the coach quicker to heat to cool. You also have a king bed. You've got the fireplace, and you've got a stacked washer and dryer in the back as well.
Okay, guys, I just wanted to take a second and show you how quickly and easily this cab is to climb in and out of.
Wow.
You've got a suspension dump here, fast idle, and then you also get an exhaust brake on this Freightliner chassis. But there's no step up or anything here, so it's super convenient, super easy to get back and forth.
Very easy. I want to thank everybody for joining us again here on the Wraith, the 2026 Wraith 37F. I want to thank Cameron Jones and Nexus for being such an incredible partner. And I want to thank all of you for watching. And again, my name is Jordan Buckley. I'm one of the senior sales advisors. And if you want to get in touch with me directly, my cell phone number is 817-437-1749. From Motorhome Specialists and our family, thank you so much for coming.